What's up, everybody? It's your boy Josh with JTM Racing. What's going on? So it's super early, 6:30 in the morning. It's a Saturday. Barely awake, but I'm feeling great. I'm actually headed out to Nick's house right now because me and him are going to be cruising to a car show out in Mesa. It is a car show slash air show, so it should be pretty sick. And I'm going to try to get a bunch of footage if I can. And the reason why I'm going to Nick's house is we're actually cruising out a 78 Malibu, which it's a very sick-ass car. It has a lot of sentimental value. Nick and his grandpa actually built it and fully restored it a while back. So yeah, we're actually going to be there in a few minutes, and I'll show you this badass fucking Malibu. Let's do it. The good old boo. Super clean, all restored. All right, let's head out. Too bad we couldn't get the car in the show.
Explode.
Right? Oh, dude, it's like right there. I know. MIG. Nick said you can buy these. I think I'm gonna buy one. Put it in driveway. I wonder how much they cost, dude.
100 grand.
100 grand? Oh, dude, if I ever get rich, I'm buying one. Won't ever fly it. I'll just show chicks. Check it out. This thing's bad.
Yeah, this is.
This thing probably hauls.
It's an F4. It's a Phantom, actually.
It's big, dude.
It's a big plane. So look, there. This is it.
Oh, to slow it down on the...
You've got to be able to fucking catch it. You know, catch the camera.
Why can't I think of what it's called right now? What these land on? Aircraft carrier.
catch the cable. Same thing, aircraft carrier. Fold the wings, park them.
This thing's pretty cool. This is a big plane too.
So, and where is it? There it is. Let's go to San Diego.
Hmm.
Oh, look, dude. That's the midway with planes on it in San Diego. You can go on the whole aircraft.
And walk the whole aircraft carrier. Because it's all fuel injection.
It's cool.
It's all EFI. Look at that thing. That's such a clean setup, dude. That little 8-ball cap would look good on yours because it would match your. This thing's sweet though, and it's manual. Wasn't it?
I think so.
And this is the car I thought was manual, and I didn't even see it was missing the clutch pedal.
We're 3 pedal. I'm gonna fucking fire this thing up and take off.
You imagine they're all chasing us.
They wouldn't be able to get me. I wouldn't even be able to start. I don't know how to start it. Feel like I'm in there.
We wouldn't know how to shut it off or stop it.
I could figure that out.
Hey, where's the brakes?
There isn't any. Use flaps.
Let's walk this thing.
Like a crapper. Ashtray in a crapper.
Ashtray.
Take a dump of cigarette.
Smells like Impala in here.
Willie.
This is crazy, dude. It's a workout just walking up this thing.
The controls.
It's insane. I can't believe they have ashtrays laying around.
Right?
How comfy are these seats?
I know.
Oh yeah, I could fall asleep in here. Smells like Vegas in here, but I could.
Which part of Vegas?
Everywhere.
Been years and years since I've been there, so.
Say stuff like that on YouTube, people probably be dying. Knockout boyfriend, real girlfriend.
Real girlfriend. Double Dr. Pepper.
Demonetized. Dr. Pepper, dude.
Boyfriend nerdy anyway. I'll show you a real man.
Hey, Mr. Balboa.
Landing.
Not even that loud. Now that sun's starting to
Yeah.
creep out. I know when I went to the restroom, dude. Fucking took a mean shit.
Yeah, I haven't done that yet. Coffee
I had to
has
blow
sink
it
in.
up, dude. It's the only way I was gonna take a piss.
Have another beer, or have a beer and then boom.
I do like this Nova.
Yeah.
It's just a driver, dude.
LS swap.
I think that's an LS or a 5.3. Well, 5.3 is an LS, LSX or whatever, but meaning it's not an LS1, but it might be.
706 heads.
I like this thing a lot. Huh? Is that plane gonna take off?
Yeah. Eventually.
That's not to know what
Let's see what that other warplane got. They're sprayed and all hose.
I do like this thing a lot, though.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
It's too clean. That LS swap, it's such a cool car. Clean. It's a hearse car. $390. I think it's pretty sweet. The little car probably moves. Ah, this is a clean Stang. Michelle had a green one.
This is the first car I ever owned, the 37 Chevy Coupe. What year do you want it? 37? Yeah, exactly. That's all right.
Same wheels I had on the Chevelle, those Keystones. I kind of wanted those for the Nova.
The story with this car is similar to mine.
Oh, really?
Yep.
This GT350 super clean. That has a 5.3 in it, this pickup. Look at the bottle, the overflow bottle.
Oh.
I want the Nova to look like this. Don't care if it has as much power as this. I want it to have a mean ass lope. I mean, if I had like the 327, I would just put a mean cam and then either boost it or throw a Pro Charger on it or something. Malibu does sound really mean though. Oh yeah, the Shelby.
running bad. I mean,
it's not warmed up yet.
no, but even the Camaro would backfire like crazy. It's just, you gotta think about it. Long tube headers, cam, exhaust, you know what I mean? It's just everything. A borderline race car. I mean, really, if you think about the engine. Race car, race motor, and luxury car. Still gonna film. That's a F Sport, right? Is that what that's called?
Little mama, what you think?
That's a nice Jeep. Oh, it's gone for it. Never mind. He saw the power and he backed off. Thank God this thing's so loud you can't even hear the music in the background.
Look behind you.
A little bit of slippage. And these are Mickey Thompsons. But when you're pushing, you know, 4 1/4, 450 horse,
At the wheels, baby.
it's no problem with the 383 stroker. With a Holly.
People in the backyard.
All right, everyone. So to cap off this video, I just really wanted to say, I wish I got more footage for you guys of the car show. And the reason why I didn't is they had music playing real loud there. I didn't want to take the chance of this video getting demonetized, even though it still might. And the reason why I say that, if you haven't noticed, there's plenty of music in the clips and in the footage that I got. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, cool. I ain't stressing out about it. No big deal. It's one video. And there's some decent footage in it. Some fun ass footage. But overall, the car show was sick. All old school. Nothing too new. It was hot rods. A lot of muscle cars. Some dope ass airplanes. We had jets. We had old school fighter planes. It was just overall sick. They had, I think, like 5 or 6 food vendors. It was really kick back and chill. And the reason why I say that, it was a lot of older folks, which there's none of that young kid drama bullshit. I'll just say it now. I'm getting a little older, so that shit's pretty stupid. It was kick back, it was chill, way relaxing. A lot of cool ass dudes there talking about their cars, and it's just cool to hear their stories. But yeah, it was fun. Me and Nick had a blast. We left there around like 1 o'clock. I think we got there around like 8. We took streets all the way there in Nick's Malibu. And that's one thing too. We had a great time in the Malibu, and the Malibu ran great. I will get more footage for you guys on the whole car. I really didn't get too much footage on it because after me and Nick left the car show, we went to a sports bar, had a few Coronas, had a few loaded Coronas. We got pretty lit. And then we went back to his place and we parted ways. I went home. He had shit to do. And I literally went home and passed out. Like, I got pretty lit off these loaded Coronas. So I didn't really get too much footage of his car, or I would have. When we got back to his place, you know, like the engine bay, what's exactly all done to it. There's a lot of money invested in it. It's a full frame off restore. It's literally a ground up build. It's a sick ass car. You get under it, it's like new. So we'll do a video just on that and show you everything about the car, let Nick talk about it. I will let you know it's a 383 stroker, has a turbo 350 tranny that was built out of a drag car. It only had a few passes on it, so they got it for a great ass deal. Just a full ground up build. But yeah, so sorry about not getting as much footage as I would have liked to, but hopefully these future videos will be better. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn notifications on, like, comment, you know, let me know what's up, what you guys want to see, and I'll try my best. But I'm gonna hit the gym right now, so peace.